We have given that point B is between A and C on segment AC. We have to use the given information to find the length of AB and BC. So let's draw first the graph. We have given segment AC. Point B is between A and C, so this is our B. We have given that AB is 2x minus 6, and we have that BC is 5x minus 4. What else we have given? That length of AC is 25. So we can write equation that AC is equal AB, the length of AB plus length of BC. So we have AB plus BC. Now we can substitute AC by 25, AB by 2x minus 6, and we have given that BC is 5x minus 4, so we have plus 5x minus 4. Now we can combine the like terms, so we will have 25 is equal to x plus 5x is 7x, negative 6 and negative 4, so this is negative 10. Now we will move negative 10 to the left side, so will be positive 10. 25 plus 10 is equal 7x. 25 plus 10 is equal 35. This is equal 7x because we have multiplication on the right side, so we will divide both sides by 7. 7 and 7 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 35 divided by 7 is 5. When we have x, now we can calculate length of AB and BC. So we had that AB is equal 2x minus 6. So this is equal x. We have that this is 5, so we have 2 times 5 minus 6. So this is equal 2 times 5 is 10 minus 6 is 4. And BC, length of BC is equal 5x minus 4. X we will substitute by 5. So we have 5 times 5 minus 4. So this is equal 25, because 5 times 5 is 25, minus 4 is 21. So we found the length of AB and BC. This is my solution.